Hey, what's up YouTube fam? Paul here. Now, we all know that a great story can make or break a documentary. So I'm gonna share with you some tips to take your travel videos to the next level right now. Alright, so today we are deep diving into the art of storytelling for captivating travel documentaries. That's kind of deep, right? The first thing is that it's all about finding your narrative arc. Okay, narrative arc. Every great story has a beginning, has a middle, and an end. It's crucial to structure your travel documentary in a way that captivates your audience from start to finish. Now, let me give you a particular example. Imagine you are filming your documentary about your recent trip to Japan. You can start by introducing the viewers to the vibrant streets of Tokyo. That is your beginning. And then take them on a journey through the serene countryside. That's your middle. And then finally, wrap it up with a powerful reflection on your overall experience. That would be your end. In that way, your audience are hooked throughout the entire documentary. Next up is incorporating personal stories. Sharing your own experiences, your own emotions will connect you with your audience in a deeper level. Let's say you are shooting a travel documentary about your hiking expedition in the Himalayas. Instead of just showcasing those breathtaking landscapes, take a moment to share your personal story about the challenges you have faced or a profound encounter you had with the locals. These human elements add authenticity and helps your viewers relate to your journey. Moving up on tip number 3, highlight unique characters, okay? Now, people are naturally drawn to compelling individuals with interesting stories. So, while you are traveling, keep an eye for the charismatic locals or fellow adventurers or even quirky shopkeepers. Introduce them to your viewers and let the story unfold. For instance, if you stumble upon a passionate street artist in Cebu, take time to interview them and showcase their incredible talent. These characters will add depth and intrigue to your travel documentary. Here's a tip that can really elevate your travel documentaries or travel videos. Capture moments of serendipity. Wow, serendipity, like the movie. Sometimes the most magical and unexpected moments happen when we least expect them, right? Let's say you're filming a documentary about your trip in Siargao Islands. Suddenly you spot a pod of dolphins playing in the waves. You stumble upon a hidden waterfall during a hike. These serendipitous moments, wow, what a word, serendipitous moments. They add a sense of wonder and excitement to your travel documentary. So always keep your camera ready for those unforgettable surprises. Sound design. Not just sound design, but evocative sound design. Now, sound is a powerful storytelling tool that can transport your viewers to different places and evoke specific emotions. When editing your travel documentary, pay close attention to the audio. For example, you're filming a documentary about your visit to a night market in Baguio. Try layering the sounds of merchants haggling, items being thrown around, or bustling crowd. This immersive audio experience will make your viewers feel like they are right there with you, enhancing the overall storytelling. Alright? So if you want to know more tips about storytelling or video editing, then check out this playlist right here. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So get out there, tell your stories, and create amazing content so that we can all learn, create, and share. So until the next time, peace out.